Software Spring. Presents. How to use COUNTA in Google Sheets. Hello folks. Greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on the COUNTA function in Google Sheets. Here's an introduction to COUNTA. COUNTA returns the count of cells, with different types of data, in the specified range. COUNTA does not count blank cells. COUNTA counts blank cells with spaces. Let's look at the format of the COUNTA function formula. Here's an example. Value 1 is the range of cells to count. Value 2, and subsequent values, is optional, and is the second range to count. If a second range is specified, COUNTA returns the total of the count of cells in the two ranges. Moving on, here are objectives of using COUNTA function. To count a range of cells with different types of data. To count cells in two ranges. Let me type the COUNTA function formula. First, type equal to COU. Select COUNTA. For value 1, select this range. Press enter. Alright, COUNTA has returned the count of cells, which have different types of data. Now, let's count the cells with data in this range. Type the COUNTA function formula. For value 1, select this range. Press enter. There are 8 items in this range. However, COUNTA has returned 7, because it ignores blank cells. If some spaces are inserted in this cell, will COUNTA count this cell? Let's find out. Let me insert some spaces. Yes, COUNTA has counted this cell. So, if you do not want to count blank cells, ensure that they are indeed blank. Let me remove the spaces. OK, COUNTA has ignored the blank cell. Moving forward, let's get the total count of cells with data, in these two ranges, by including the ranges in the COUNTA function formula. As before, type equal to COU, and select COUNTA. For value 1, select this range. Type comma. For value 2, select this range. Press enter. There you go, COUNTA has returned the total count of cells in the two ranges. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.